Dear learners, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. Dear learners, welcome to my online class. Dear learners, I hope you are staying at home now. We are facing a serious epidemic called COVID 19. In this time, it has taken an epidemic form. Every day, it has taken away many lives. So, first, I advise you to stay home, use mask, use sanitizer, and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. At first, I would like to thank all of the viewers, all of the honorable teachers, all of the respected guardians who are watching this video. Dear learners, I would like to introduce myself. This is Himanshu Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English of Port Secondary School, Kharishpur, Khulna. Today, I am going to take an English class. This class has been especially designed for the students of class 7. Dear learners, I request you to bring some papers and a pen so that you can take notes whenever necessary. Dear learners, now enjoy the class. At first, I would like to show some slides. Let's enjoy the class. Let's go to our today's lesson or class. Introduction, Himanshu Shaha. Introduction, class 7, subject English first paper, topics substitution table. Make 4 sentences from this substitution table. The town of Hamelin in Germany. The people of the town, they, the mayor, came, was faced, called, said to the mayor to do something about rats with a great problem to the town hall, a meeting of the councillors. Now I will show you the meaningful sentences. Number 1. Once the town of Hamelin in Germany was faced with a great problem. Number 2. The people of the town came to the town hall. Number 3. They said to the mayor to do something about rats. Number 4. The mayor called a meeting of the councillors. I will move to another slides. Another table, column A, column B and column C. Column A, Alexander, then he, crossed, reached, came, was, to the plain land of the Punjab, India, the Khyber Pass, the king of Macedon. Now I will show the answer and meaningful sentence. Alexander was the king of Macedon. Number 2, he crossed the Khyber Pass. Number 3, he reached India. Number 4, and the last one is, then he came to the plain land of Punjab. You can notice here a mistake, and that is come. The mistake in this come, you have to write came. Then he came to the plain land of the Punjab. I will move to another thing. Make 4 sentences from the following table. Porous, column A, column B, and column C. Column A, porous, but unfortunately he Alexander came, asked, was defeated, was brought him how he would like to be treated before Alexander, and taken prisoner forward to defend his land from the attack of Alexander. Now I will show the meaningful sentence. Number A, Pros came forward to defend his land from the attack of Alexander. Number B, but unfortunately he was defeated and taken prisoner. Number C, he was brought before Alexander. Number D, Alexander asked him how he would like to be treated. I will move to another thing. Column A, column B, column C. Truthfulness, eat, everybody. Brings, respects, means, is. Column C, a truthful person, the greatest of all virtues. Peace of mind, the quality of speaking the truth. Now I will show the correct sentence. Number A, truthfulness is the greatest of all virtues. Number B, it means the quality of speaking the truth. Number C, it brings peace of mind. And number D, everybody respects a truthful person. Now I will move to another thing and another slides and another table. William Shakespeare. Column A, William Shakespeare, he, the great writer, but he. Column B, wrote, is, was. Column C, born at Stratford-on-Avon in England, a great poet of the entire world, relatively unknown in his lifetime, 37 plays and 154 sonnets. Now I will show the correct sentence and meaningful sentence. Sentence 1 is, William Shakespeare is a great poet of the entire world. B is, he was born at Stratford-on-Avon in England. Here he is would be capital letter. This is a mistake. Number C, this great writer wrote 37 plays and 154 sonnets. Number D, but he was relatively unknown in his lifetime. I'll move to another table. Make 4 sentences from this substitution table. Eat, penicillin, he, is, was, discovered by Alexander Fleming, born in England, a very attentive student, a name of medicine. Now I will show the meaningful sentences. Number A, penicillin is a name of medicine. Number B, it was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Number C, he was born in Scotland. Number D, he was a very attentive student. Now I will show you another table. Column A patriot, he or she, again there. Column B, cares. Next B, column C, for his or her country. No country which has no patriot. He or she was loves his or her country truly. Some traitors too. Now I will show the correct sentences and meaningful sentences. And that is, number one is, a patriot is he or she who loves his or her country truly. Number B, he or she cares for his or her country. And number C is, there is no country which has no patriot. And number D, again, there are some traitors too. I will move to another thing and another table. Now notice this table. Column A, Socrates, he, it. Column B, had, wanted, was. Column C, to spread true knowledge, killed by the rulers. Are you Elias? Here there is a mistake. Of Athens, born in 459 BC in Athens. A long story. Now I will show you the correct sentences. Socrates was born in 459 BC in Athens. Number B, he wanted to spread true knowledge. Number C, he was killed by the rulers of Athens. Number D, it had a long story. I will move to another thing and another table. Make 4 sentences from this substitution table. People of column A, people of Bangladesh, arsenicosis, eat rainwater. Column B is, kills are. Column C, a man gradually suffering from arsenicosis, free from arsenic and bacteria, a slow process. Now I will show you the correct sentences and meaningful sentences. And that is, number one is, people of Bangladesh are suffering from arsenicosis. Number B, arsenicosis is a slow process. Number C, it kills a man gradually. And number D, rainwater is free from arsenic and bacteria. Now I will move to another thing and another table. Column A, it, discipline, we. Column B, are, is. Column C, very strictly followed in the army, the law of nature, to be disciplined, to shine, derived from the Latin word disciplas. Now I will show you the correct meaningful sentences. Number A, discipline is the law of nature. Number B, it is derived from the Latin word disciplas. Number C, it is very strictly followed in the army. Number D, we are to be disciplined, to shine. Now I will move to another table. Column A, Bangladesh, the country, many people, now we. Column B, achieved, have, is, sacrificed. Column C, their lives for the cause of the country's freedom, a country of South Asia, high hopes for the country, its freedom from the Pakistanians in 1971. Now I will show the correct meaningful sentences. And number one is, Bangladesh is a country of South Asia. Number B, the country achieved its freedom from the Pakistanians in 1971. Pakistanis. Number C, many people sacrifice their lives for the cause of the country's freedom. Number D, now we have high hopes for the country. Now I will move to another table. Shakespeare, column A, Shakespeare. He is called, column B is called, died, was born, wrote. Column C, 37 plays and 154 sonnets in Stamford on Avon on 23rd April. At the same day, the Bard of Avon. Now I will show you the correct meaningful sentences, and that is number one is Shakespeare was born in Stamford on Avon on 23rd April. Number B, he is called the Bard of Avon. Number C, he died at the same day. And number D is he wrote 37 plays and 154 sonnets. Dear learners, I have already taken a lot of time, so it's time to finish my class. So stay home, stay safe, and be connected with us. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.